I decided to share my first time experience using Lagos Blue Train for the first time. That's interesting. However, it may surprise you. Well, that's one thing I discovered while using the train. However, as soon as I get in there, I went to where they draw the map to see how the itinerary looks like. Next thing I did was to head to get my cowry. Cowry is a card you use to access the train anytime, any day.
How much is it?
After paying and collecting my
That's
cowry,
my balance.
the next thing I did was to head I can get inside the train. So I discovered the environment, how inside the train looks like. It's so inspiring and something that many other cities can look into. Just look around the train, nothing you won't discover that this place is clean. Thousands of people board this train every day. They commute from Festac to Ireland, from Ireland to mainland, almost on a daily basis. That environment look as clean as everything. When I asked questions, I was told that they are so serious in maintaining the cleanliness of the train, or to drop anything inside the train, because the rest they get picked. Inside the train is highly monitored with camera, notification,